What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this trailer truck car combination kit by M2. So let's get right into it. Alright, we have the back open and I'm going to slide it out of here. Oh, it's a little piece of plastic, and let's get it out of here. There we go. So there's the kit with the glass piece and the base, the glass piece. The glass piece just comes right off. So we ran into a problem where this side is lifting off, but this side isn't, and it is like, I've been pulling it as hard as I can and it's still not coming off. And I don't want to break it because I want to like save this thing so that in case I ever want to like sell it or trade it or something, it's in good condition. So I'm trying my hardest to get this off, and it might take a while. Alright, so after pulling super hard, and I mean super hard, I finally was able to get the plastic piece off the top. So that was really hard to do. It's basically clipped into these little holes on the bottom here, and for some reason it just was not coming out. So I'm probably just going to try to slightly shade it down a little bit so that it could come out better. But we're going to unscrew these, but first, the secret car. So I was talking about in my community tab, the post, what's the car in the back here, and as you guys can see, it's a 1988 Ford Mustang GT Custom. So I've been wondering, how does this thing just stay open like that? I don't really know how it works, so we're gonna unscrew it first, and then we'll see how it works. So let's get the truck out of here first. Oh, it's gonna be really hard to get out, huh? Alright, I'll be right back in a second. Alright, so we unscrewed the truck. This is a 1972 Ford F-250 Explorer 4x4. We will put it on the turntable in a second, but first thoughts, it's very heavy. Nice, very well made, metal on metal. Big beefy tires. I don't know if the hood opens. It looks like it does. It looks like the door's open, actually. Let's see. I don't know. I know the tailgate doesn't open, but it definitely looks like the door's open, yeah. There you go. There's one door. So the doors can open. Let's get the other one open. Boom. Both doors open. And now I could swear that the hood opens. It really does look like it does. So, oh, yeah, there you go. And the hood opens too. So there's the hood. We'll get a close-up image of the engine in a second before we put it on the turntable. But the hood opens. We have doors opening. Tailgate doesn't open. That's fine. It has the hitch in the back. Really nice model, really nice casting. The bottom's metal chassis, and I think you could remove the hitch if you want. There's a screw there. You could just unscrew the hitch and take that out. But it is a little bit sketchy screwing these things back onto the little base. But there's that. So now let's get the trailer off. We'll put this on the turntable while I get the trailer off. Alright, so here we have the trailer. So I could tell that the trailer was probably also connected to the car, so like the screws were going through into the car also. But it's very sketchy, this back section. You don't want to break that. It's actually super sketchy. Does not sound like it's meant to do that. Alright, so the Mustang was screwed in the back there, and now you can see it comes out, and look at that thing. Wow. And the inside, yes, I was wrong. There is separate screws for the base of the trailer, and there is separate screws for the Mustang. But this door, the door on the trailer, it's like you don't even want to move it. It feels like it's gonna break off. It's plastic, so that's super sketchy. And the way it like cracks as you move it. But here is the car. Here is the car. Very good job on the headlights. Same with the back. Taillights look good. The wheels match it for like the year it's trying to be. And then I believe the hood should open. I know that we have another M2. Actually, we have one more M2 1988 Ford Mustang, and the hood open. Yep, there we go. Easy. So once again, I will take a picture of the engine and show it to you guys, so you could see it closer. But yeah, the hood does open. It is very, very cool. One of my favorite Mustangs, actually, this year. So we'll put that on the turntable, along with the trailer, but first, let's get the trailer in here. So the trailer does connect to the little hole there, and then it is able to roll on and off without, it rolls side to side without the thing coming off. And then you could always put the car back here and close it up, but as you can see, if I were to, oh, those noises, it just feels like it's gonna snap off. I just don't want to keep moving it. The door makes really bad noises. But yeah, you could put the Mustang back in there, attach it to here, same thing, it's not going anywhere, very sturdy. They also make chase forms of these entire sets, I just realized. So yeah guys, that's pretty much everything for this unboxing and review. Let's just get the Mustang out one more time so you guys could see that, along with the trailer. There you go, metal on metal, metal on metal, and then this is plastic, which is fine because if this was metal it'd be huge and heavy. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. By the time I posted this video, we probably hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that, because at the time of me recording this, I'm at 960. But it's been a while of me making videos, and I'm happy that you guys enjoyed them so much, to give me positive feedback in the comments, and that you got me to 1,000 subscribers, 100,000 views, all that. Thank you so much for that, guys. And I'm not going to stop posting these videos. I'm always going to have new cases, new cars, new M2, Auto World, everything. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.